Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 1st to July the 3rd, no? Aquarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong isa pang channel that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto nyo sumali, you're very much welcome, no? So, Aquarius, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, take what's only yours, no? No, no. Aquarius, magsamila na tayo. So I feel like parang mas nananaig sa atin Aquarius ang pagiging logical natin, no? More of, sabihin natin, mas sinasantabi natin yung puso for now. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi na siya tumitibok, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi na tayo nagmamahal. More on practicality, no? And I feel like we are very independent as of the moment, especially when it comes to kahit yung mga maliliit na bagay, no? Sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na, oh, kaya ko yan. Yung mga panlalaking gawain, no? Kung babae tayo, no? Or sabihin natin part ng LGBTQIA plus community and you are considering yourself as a woman, no? As of the moment, mas inaano natin siya, mas nagiging logical ang mga bagay-bagay, nabubuhat natin yung mga or kinakaya natin, no? Very, like katulad ng sabi ko, very independent as if parang gusto mong sabihin na I don't need or it's not necessary, no, for me to have someone by my side. And I feel like kung meron kayong karelasyon, no, nafe-feel ngayon ni person na, ay, bakit parang hindi siya nagiging clingy ngayon, no? I think that with the Four of Swords, so parang ang feeling sa atin ni person is, ay, nagiging tamad si Aquarius, no? Or hindi na siya ganun katulad ng dating pala update or even pala tanong, no? Hindi ka na rin nagiging makulit. It felt like you have, kung titignan ito, no? Kung titignan, kunyari, I went out of the dynamic at titignan ko lang yung energy, pwede kong masabi na, ay, bakit walang feeling si Aquarius? Pero hindi, no? Kasi nga, more of, mas pinaprioritize ko yung mga bagay na kaya kong i-control, no? Kasi as of the moment, alam mo na hindi mo kayang kontrolin yung feeling ng person, di ba? Kaya ang ginagawa mo is, kinokontrol mo ngayon yung mga pwede mong gawin, katulad ng, what? Siguro, paglilinis ng bahay, no? And it's not just an ordinary task, no? And it felt like yung pagiging malakas din natin, we are showing off a bit, we come up a little strong. And I feel like the tower moment, oh wow, talaga ba? It's either you, ikaw ito, or talagang yung person mo mas lalong naging nonchalant, no? Parang nararamdaman natin kung tayo man itong nakakapansin, feeling natin, wala naman siyang pakialam sa atin, no? With the tower in here, you can switch the energies, by the way, no? What I am reading in here is the dynamic, right? At yung nangyayari. So, pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, pwedeng yung person mo, pwedeng yung cross-watchers. So, the tower is clarified by the Six of Cups and the Star. So, parang meron tao talaga nakakamiss dito ng Nami-miss ko yung dating ginagawa niya na ako lang ang focus niya, ako lang ang mundo niya, sa akin umiikot ang lahat, 'no? I feel like nababawasan itong, pag-aasikaso 'no, ni person sa akin. Aquarius with the Two of Cups and the Lovers, I feel like you probably sabihin natin someone here is very complacent with the relationship, 'no? Kasi parang basang-basa na natin yung isa. Pwede nating sabihin dito with the energy na parang kalmado, lumamlam. There's a lot of parang chill acts, no, na energy na nangyayari. So, pwedeng isipin ng isa ay tinatamad, pwedeng isipin ng isa hindi na ako pinapansin, or pwedeng iniisip naman nung taong isa is more of being complacent. Alam ko naman kasi ang nangyayari. Alam ko na secure, may security na, no? So I think ganun naman ang kinakalabasan kapag lalo na kapag kilalang kilala nyo na yung isa't isa at sabihin natin na medyo matagal na yung relationship, 'di ba? So, nawawala talaga yung sparks, no? Yun yung pino-point out ng isa. Bakit habang dapat tumatagal para siyang wine, dapat tumatamis siya. Pero ang iba, ang nangyayari sa atin is the otherwise, no? Parang pumapakla, no? Nawawalan ng gana. Important connection. I feel like this is really an important connection. You might probably be connecting with your twin flame. The Two of Cups is also here. It could also be your soulmate, no? One thing's for sure, na itong connection na ito, kakaiba siya, no? It felt like someone actually needs to go back, no? Bakit nga ba kayo magkarelasyon ngayon? Ano yung mga nakita, no? I think someone has to invite a person to walk on memory lane. So what I'm trying to say here is siguro kailangan ng isa hindi naman lumayo, no? Let's say gawin natin kaya yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin before, no? Either kumain sa labas, remember dito tayo nagsimula, remember dito tayo nagkita, no? I think conversation will be also, will also help, no? With the temperance and the page of swords. So I feel like very secure itong connection na ito. Nawawalan lang talaga siya ng spark. Paano ko ba sasabihin? Kasi imagine niyo na lang ang inyong hindi lahat nangyayari to ha. Yung karamihan sa mga parents natin, no? Meron tayong nakikita because of sa sobrang tagal na nilang nagsasama, parang nababawasan din yung affection, no? Nababawasan din yung, again, hindi lahat. Meron talagang expressive. Pero itong, yung parang the norm, yung wala lang, parang nararamdaman mo na parang ay kapatid ko na lang siya, no? With the Ace of Cups, and the Hangman, o baka nandun nga, baka ikaw din mismo, no? Iniisip mo, nasan na ba din yung nararamdaman ko, no? Or nasan din, I think, ano ba? Kasi someone here is really searching for that kind of love kung paano nagsisimula. So pagdating naman sa isa, parang wala naman nangyayari. Parang ganun pa rin. So you may not be on the same page. You may not be on the same boat as of the moment. Pero I think kung sino man itong naghahanap kasi the other person don't know, no? Na meron talagang nabago. I think because of the familiarity na lang din, no? If you're the person who's really asking for where is the spark, I believe that you need to do something. Even, pinagluto kita, no, ng iyong favorite food. Remember, ito yata ang ating pagkain nung first date natin, yung mga gano'n. Again, walk down on a memory lane. Um, Hindi ko masasabing mababaw kasi wala naman tayo dun sa situation, no? We cannot judge a specific scenario how deep it is just because hindi siya nagmamatter, no? Sa isa or sa iyo, no? Hindi na siya masakit para sa isa kasi we have also different kind of or levels of tolerance and pains. So let's say this is normal, no? A normal thing that is happening to most of the couples. So kung ikaw nga itong medyo nafe-feel at nagtatampo, no? Gawa na lang din tayo ng paraan. I believe na mahal tayo ng person natin na wala lang talaga baka sa sobrang busy din sa work, no? Maraming priorities. Understanding is very important. This is temporary anyway. I'm not seeing any third party if that's what you're asking. And I'm also not seeing that these persons leaving you or even nawawala yung pag-ibig. Nandun pa rin siya. Kumbaga sa mantika, ito yung mantikang tulo, no? So, pag initin na lang din natin, no? Gumawa tayo ng paraan para manumbalik yung dating sigla, no, ng relationship. So, tignan natin dito ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. This could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. Scorpio, Cancer, uh, Sagittarius. Sagittarius is very dominant, ano. Gemini, I'm seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yep. Aquarius is also here. Yeah, so that's your reading, no? So tingnan natin ang inner thought or energy, no, ng person natin, or it could also be ours, no? I wish you were mine. I think this is the question or request or feeling nitong taong naghahanap. I wish you were mine or I wish that you are still mine. No? So, ang nakikita ko dito, siguro hindi na napapansin ng isa na medyo nagtatampo na, no? Dahil hindi na siya nabibigyan ng importansya, probably, no? So, kung sino man sa inyo, kung ikaw itong binabasahan ko, Aquarius, let's check a message for you by the spirit guides, by your guardian angel, by your higher self, universe, whatever you want to call this entity or energy, no? You are feeling somewhat confused by the events that are unfolding around you and the various seemingly contradictory information that are coming your way. Trust your instincts and do what they are telling you to do, and you will learn a lot about yourself and the direction you want to take. You want your life to take. So, I feel like ito nga yung napapansin natin, baka nagpa-pile up, no? Ang mga nangyayari. So, parang nagiging contradiction nga itong mga pangyayari natin sa buhay, ano? Um, Sinasabi ng person mo na love ka pero hindi mo naman na-feel. So, do something. Katulad nung sinabi nga dito sa ating reading, no? Baka kailangan lang pag-initin natin, no? Muli. At kailangan din tayong kumilos or at least initiate something. Huwag lang natin din iasa, no? Na um, basta ibabalik ni person. And remember, this is a teamwork, no? Kayong dalawa against everyone, if I may say, no? So this is your reading, Aquarius. Again, For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? May mga ilang videos din po tayo doon. So, I'll be expecting you there. Pwede naman po kayong magtanong no, dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, no? Meron pong link sa description box. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website. You can check all the information, no, nandun po how much per question, the QR codes, the mode of payment, no. And I also have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to book a private reading or personal reading, nandun po din sa description box. So, this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.